Hello guys, the question is the pulley shown in the figure has a radius of 20 centimeter and the moment of inertia is 0.2 meter square kg meter square. The string going over it is attached at one end to a vertical spring of spring constant 50 Newton per meter or Pascal fixed from below and supports a 1 kg mass at the other end. The system is released. The system is released from the rest with the spring at natural length. Find the speed of block when it is descended through 10 centimeter. See the diagram. See the diagram. Yes. See the G is acting downwards. So next acceleration also going downwards. So tension in the string goes up. That we can take as T1. Okay. So goes down. FBD of free body diagram of 1 kg block is 1g minus T1 equal to A. For spring, if block falls 3 x meters, spring elongates by x meters. That means elongates the spring. So Fs equal to Kx equal to T2. T2 acts upon this. That is T2. T2. So next here x equal to 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 meters. So and k equal to 15 Newton per meter. They told that 15 Newton per meter, that is spring constant. Next T2 equal to spring constant into x. So 50 into 0.1 equal to 5 centimeters. Here pulley rotates with angular acceleration of alpha in clockwise direction. So T1R minus T2R equal to I alpha. I means inertia, a moment of inertia. So take common, T1 minus T2 of R equal to moment of inertia into alpha. But A, acceleration of the block, which is equal to tangential direct acceleration of rim of the pulley. Tangential acceleration of the pulley. That means tangential acceleration of pulley. That means okay, rim of pulley. So AT equal to acceleration, tangential acceleration. We can take tangential acceleration as AT. So AT equal to A, that is R into alpha. Here R equal to 20 centimeters, that is 0.2 meters. Alpha equal to 20 centimeters, 0.2 meters. Alpha equal to A by R. That means A equal to R alpha equal to A by R, and moment of inertia equal to 0.2 kg meter square. According to second equation, we can take second equation. That means T1 minus T2 into R equal to I alpha. That we need to apply here. So substitute here. Then t1 minus t2 into 0.2 equal to 0.2 into a alpha, 0.2 0.2 cancel. Next, t1 minus t2 into 0.2 equal to a. After simplifying that, 0.2 into t1 minus 5 into 0.2 equal to a, because t2 equal to 5. So next, 0.2 t1 minus 1 equal to a, that is third equation. So apply 0.2 into 0.2 into first equation. This is first equation. This means, so when we apply here, after simplifying that, equation 3 plus 4 equal to, we need to apply here 1.96 minus 1 equal to 1.2 a. So then a equal to 1.2 by 0.96. So answer is then acceleration is 1.25 meter per second square. From the equation v square minus u square equal to 2as, here initial velocity is 0, so u equal to 0. So substitute here v equal to root, because v square, that's a square goes that root. So root 2 into 1.25 into 0.1. So 0.25 root equal to 0.4 meter square, meter per second. So velocity of that block is 0.5, v equal to 0.5. Thank you.